Hey everyone, check out the SOFSYS Modern Folding Desk, perfect for small spaces and versatile use. This desk features a strong, foldable metal frame that saves space without compromising stability or support for your tech. Its minimalistic industrial design holds up to 70 pounds, ideal for students, professionals, or gamers. The premium E0 grade particle board surface is scratch-resistant, waterproof, and safe for daily use. Whether writing, drawing, gaming, or working from home, this desk adapts to your needs. Plus, it combines style and functionality to enhance any room's organization. Experience reliable quality backed by responsive customer support for any questions you might have. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.